so beautiful is Oceanside. This is the north side of Oceanside. This is the pier. You can see the pier over there. And I'm here to get sand crab. I already picked up some, but I'm gonna show you guys where I pick up the sand crabs, because most of the people likes to get sand crab for perch. Right now the Super loves sand crab, and there's a lot of sand crab right now. Also for me, there's sand crab all the year round, but you have to know where them are. Right now the sand crab should be like over there, here. You can see the sand here. Probably they should be here. You have to find them. It's a little bit deeper. Maybe here. Nothing here. There's a lot of rock right now. Maybe a little bit more. So we go here. I think it's, yeah, there's sand crab here. See? Let's dig a little bit. You can touch them. Touch the sand crab. See? You're gonna dig a little bit. You're gonna see them. Very beautiful, very nice. Very good size sand crab. This is the best size. There's a lot of them. See? The sand crab, there's a lot of sand crabs. You can see here. You have to find them. Like here. There's two. The perch loves them. And this one is free bait. You have to know it's 50 sand crabs. Oh, I killed this one. There's another one. There's many sand crab. Oh. So the pier start here and the sand crab is just here. I start digging over there, but there's no sand crab over there. They are over here. And then it's a very, very low tide. Right now the fish is biting on sand crab and the masso. Okay, I'm gonna use Abu Garcia Max Z. It's very small. Very, very small. I'm using the paint carnage, the small one for surf. Paint carnage 3. I'm gonna use the bullet torpedo number 1 ounces. My braided line is 40 pounds. I'm gonna use a small swivel. And now I'm gonna put my hook. This is my setup. Now I'm gonna connect the hook. The hook has to be very small. Number 4. We're gonna put the line on the hook now. So here I have the line that I showed already. Here I'm using this line, 20 pounds. 20 pounds is one of the best for me. Sometimes they don't like Carolina reed, then they like high-low reeds. So we never know what's there or what's gonna bite on this. Also, that's why I have a very strong hook. Now my setup is ready. I already catch myself. This is my setup. And my Carolina, the leader line is like, let's say 2 feet. It's not exactly, but let's say that. Okay, the crab that I got yesterday, they are here. The crabs from yesterday. You wanna use them. There's no surfer here right now. If there's surfer, we try to fish peaceful with them. They have to enjoy the day too, and we have to enjoy the day. When there's surfer, I don't cast far away. Also, perch, you don't have to cast far. The perches are always very, very close. I have 3 sand crabs on the hook, and now I have to cast. I go to try to get my fish. We have to see if the fish is close or far away. Oops. We already got a bite. Cast again because nothing. Grab it. Okay, this is my second cast. Nothing on the first one. Now I go very close. Oh yeah, it's on. My second cast, the fish is on. But it's not big perch. Right now it's low tide, so the perch is medium. There's red seaweed. It's a very small one, but the sand crab, always sand crab maso should be the best bait, and this one has to go back to the water. I'm gonna try a little bit more. I'm gonna do the third cast now. Maybe I'm gonna catch another big small one because the big perch come later. Very close to the shore. Bite it. Bite it, bite it. Small one. Yeah, it's on, it's on, it's on, it's on. A very small fish. See? Not a big one, but very nice to get it. And we're gonna release this one too. These ones swallow the sand crab. This is not a big perch, but them are active right now. Bye. I'm not gonna cast far again. I already cast. Yeah, I have one. Another small one. Woohoo! This one I was looking for this size. Very good one. That's a good size. I'm gonna use this huge sand crab and see if I can catch something. It's big. Let's see if it works. Maybe a big bait, big fish. Let's see if this one catch something. I already lost one sinker, so I hope I get a fish now. I lost my sinker, it's stuck. It's normal, you lost sinkers, you are stuck with the rocks. It's the butterlip fish, buttermouth perch. On sand crab. Yeah. La grandota. Okay, this is the way to bring the fish. Slowly, because it's a big fish. I don't want to break his mouth, so I bring it slowly. Okay. This is the way to bring the fish. And there's a good one, not very big, but it's a good size. También cerquita.